Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RO3753EA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your vacuum smells funny and loses suction, it's likely due to clogged filters or a full dust container. Over time, dirt and debris can accumulate, leading to unpleasant odors and decreased performance. If left unaddressed, this issue can cause further damage to your vacuum, making repairs more complicated and costly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement filter, a clean cloth, and possibly some compressed air. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged for safety. Begin by locating the screws on the back of your vacuum. Use the appropriate screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover to expose the internal components. You should see the filter housing. The culprit is likely a clogged filter, which can be easily found in this area. Once you've located the filter, carefully pull it out. If it's particularly dirty, you might want to tap it gently against a surface or use compressed air to dislodge any stubborn debris. Inspect the filter for any signs of damage. If it's too damaged, make sure to replace it with your new one. To install the new filter, simply slide it back into place, ensuring it's secure. Remember to check for any loose cables or components while you're inside. Be gentle to avoid damaging anything nearby. Once everything is in place, reposition the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Finally, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to ensure it's working properly. You should notice a significant improvement in suction and no more funny smells. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check and clean your filters and empty the dust container after each use. This will help maintain your vacuum's performance and prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.